Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tip Time Thursday. I'm glad to be back with you live again this week. And I want to be fully transparent. I have no tips to share for you this week. I have been sick. Everyone in my family has been sick. Everyone I work with has been sick. And almost everyone I know has been sick. So I am glad to be on the mend, but I haven't had a chance to plan any kind of tips to share with you today. So I have to be honest. And so I thought we would take today just to be Thankful Thursday. And I'm really thankful for a lot of things in my life right now. And one of them is on Thursdays, I only work half days. So I'm thankful for that. My son gave me some Philosophy Falling in Love perfume, or I don't think it's really perfume. I guess it's cologne. Anyway, he gave me some for Christmas, and I'm really thankful for that because just the smell of this scent makes me happy. And it's important to make yourself happy by little things every day. I also, last night, just received Gabby Bernstein's new book. I don't know if it's a good book or not because I haven't read it. I ordered it for a Christmas present for myself for Christmas, and because I wanted to go to her free workshop that you got if you bought the book. So I'm thankful for my new book. I'm also thankful for my Law of Attraction planner, and I just wanted to share those things with you on this, what I'm calling Thankful Thursday, because I'm thankful for being alive. I'm thankful for being here. And have a good day, everyone.